This might look safe, but this could make you seriously sick.
Why can steak be eaten medium, but ground beef must be fully cooked? Bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli live on the surface of meat. When beef is ground, the surface bacteria get mixed inside the meat. When you cook a steak, the outside heat kills the bacteria. But in a burger, bacteria can hide deep inside. That's why the safe temperature is 160 degrees Celsius. One small mistake can make you very sick. Always cook ground beef properly. Every year, thousands of people get sick from undercooked ground beef. One bite can be delicious or dangerous.